Manna announces expansion plans for 2022/2023. By DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby. Manna, the first ever aviation-grade B2B drone delivery as a service company, has unveiled its plans for the remainder of 2022 and 2023, which include expansion into the USA and Europe. The company is additionally planning the development of a new manufacturing site, as well as the establishment of a delivery site within a large suburb in Dublin. Manna also announced its intent to expand its staff of 103 earlier this year, with plans to hire a local team of up to 50 in order to satisfy an increased demand. Manna's goal is to provide rapid suburban deliveries that are affordable, green, and safe. One autonomous Manna aircraft is capable of completing 100 deliveries in a day, with one Manna employee able to remotely manage up to 20 aircraft at a time. The company recently expanded to the Balbriggan suburb in Dublin, where it is able to service the local population of 35,000 with only 4 aircraft. Manna partners with more than 30 vendors, including Blasta Street Kitchen, Bobane, Applegreen, Tesco, Healthwave, Quick Inc., Cuddles Pet Store and more. So far, the company has raised upwards of €30 million from a wide range of esteemed investors such as Molten Ventures, Team Europe, partners of DST Global, Founders Fund, Dynamo Ventures, Atlantic Bridge, and Elkstone. Recently, the company commissioned a study with the University of Maynooth comparing the carbon emissions during delivery between drones and other vehicles, such as cars, motorbikes, and electric bikes. The goal of the study was to determine whether drones were the cleanest, most efficient option for last-mile delivery. The results found that Manna's drone emitted between 6 and 8 times less CO2 than a small gas-powered car. Additionally, while e-bikes were found to emit slightly less carbon dioxide than drones, they also took twice as long to complete deliveries, positioning drones as the best overall option. Manna is a great example of an indigenous Irish company at the cutting edge of a high-potential growth industry, said Leo Varadkar, the Tánaiste, Deputy Prime Minister of Ireland and Minister for Enterprise, Trade and Employment. This year Manna has created 50 new jobs in Balbriggan, and I know they have ambitious expansion plans for the future. Rolling out Manna's service domestically and internationally has always been part of our strategy. We are delighted that this is going to be achieved, said Manna CEO and founder Bobby Healy. Expanding into the USA and across Europe in 2022/2023, while also providing another large Dublin suburb with drone delivery and the addition of another manufacturing site shows our rapid growth plans and dedication to our mission. Subscribe to DroneLife for more commercial drone news.